I mean, I say, hear me now. This is a soul fire production. Soul fire production. Soul fire production.
So welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to Night's Kitchen. So today what I'm going to be showing you how to cook is oxtail. Yeah. So in the Night's Kitchen today we're going to be preparing oxtail. So what I've got here is my oxtail. Yeah. And it's washed, clean, and I've put a bit of all-purpose on it. Don't worry about the ingredients, guys. I'll put up the ingredients so you can see. Okay. And I've also got seasoned it with an onion. And what I've got here is my pot. Yeah. My pot is already on. Okay, as I said, I don't use oil in my meat, so I'm just gonna put that straight in. Okay, then I'm gonna keep a bit of browning, over it. It's about it. You don't want too much, so it goes too dark. And guys, I'm not even gonna stir that. All I will be doing is just cover the pot, give it about 5-10 minutes and let it start steam up. And then I'm going to add a bit of hot water from the kettle to it. Okay? Yes guys, so that's been there 5 minutes or so now. So I'm just going to add a tip of hot boiling water from my kettle. Not too much, just a tip. I'm also going to add some garlic. Garlic jump out. Let's add some garlic to it. And leave it, let it start brown now. Okay, so as you can see, the oxtail, if you look at it, see? It's browning off nicely. Look at that. Look at it. You can see, guys, it's browning off really nice. What I'm going to do at this point is add a bit more water to it. You don't want to add too much water. You don't want the meat to swim. You know? It's not at the pool or in the sea. Just a little bit of it. And guys, if you don't have patience, don't cook oxtail. That's why I've added the garlic to it. You can add a bit of garlic powder if you wish. You know? Because this thing will take probably a couple of hours or so. So ready? Yeah, so the oxtail going on. You can see it's browning off nice. See? It's almost there. So we'll soon season it up. You can see there's not too much water in there. Just let it take time and cook. Okay. Meat almost cooked. It's not been there on the stove over. Just probably over an hour now. It's been going. So you can see the oxtail almost cooked. See? It's getting there. Next time, I'm just gonna show you how to season up your oxtail. And it's almost there. So I'm about to season up the pot now. Just give my oxtail a nice little stir. You look at it. Look. No rush. Can't rush oxtail. See? Meat soft. So, gonna start seasoning up and prepare the seasoning. I've already prepared the seasoning. So I've got onion, sweet pepper, thyme, spring onion or scallion, and pimento seed. Guys, you can put scotch bonnet pepper in there if you wish. I'm not going to put any in this because the kids are going to have it. Gonna tip a little ketchup in there. Ketchup are done, but it can work. Guys, I'm going to rinse out the bottle. Rinse out the ketchup bottle because it's finished. My style. Okay. As you can see, guys, look, nice sheen Oxtail coming up nicely. And guys, next thing we're going to put in there is butter bean. I'm not going to put the butter bean just yet. But if you're cooking oxtail and you don't have butter bean, turn off the stove and run go to the shop and get one. Because it's not going nice. You have to have butter bean in your oxtail. Just going to put a tip of my all-purpose seasoning. Make sure so it touch up so the flavor and the taste is there that we require. And as I said guys, if you're cooking this type of meat and you don't have patience, so cooking is patience, so you have to wait, you can't just rush it. Wait till everything cook and meat tenderize and soft. You know, I don't rush it, so you shouldn't. And clean as you go. Don't wait till you're done to clean. So yes guys, if you have a look at the oxtail now, in the pot, see that? There, all the organic seasoning there now. And then what I'm going to be doing is cover that, make it go and simmer. And then I'm going to add the butter bean. And as I said, if you're cooking oxtail and you don't have butter bean, turn off the stove and run to the shop and get one. Because it's not going to work out. Butter bean and oxtail, right. That's how it's supposed to be. Yes. So back at it again. So I'm going to add the butter bean now. So one thing with the butter bean, don't add the water. Always drain the water off. Drain off the water, yeah? In the can. Don't put the water in there. You don't want that in there because we're not going to cook like that. And guys, when you're opening the can, if you have a can opener, use it. It's safer. If you feel more comfortable doing it that way, you can. So look at it now. Butter bean in. So the butter bean in. Once you throw in the butter bean, you don't want the butter bean cook out. You know, stir up your fire and make it go and simmer. And then we'll come back and show you what it's supposed to look like, the finishing. Yes, guys. So this is the finishing. So oxtail. So that is my oxtail when. So that's how the finishing the oxtail looks. Look at it. Nice glassy. The gravy, nice body. Okay. And the meat is well soft. So again guys, thanks for watching. Please comment and share and subscribe. Hit the notification button for lots more videos coming. And guys, if you can't cook it, night it. Stay safe. One love. Bless up on yourself.